Hello everyone, this is Gayatri Negi. I'm an intern in Lexis & Company and you're watching Next Week. In my previous video, I talked about non-disclosure agreements. So here I am with my next topic, that is, if you break a non-disclosure agreement, what happens in that case? So a breach of NDA is a civil wrong. These are legally enforceable contracts. When parties sign an NDA, the party receiving the confidential information must keep it secret. If the receiving party chooses to divulge confidential information to an unauthorized party or entity, the party will incur legal consequences or penalties. Now coming to the penalties, what kind of penalty will be put on the disclosing party? So it can be difficult to quantify the losses caused by a breach of secrecy provision. Thus, it may be advantageous to include a penalty clause that specifies an acceptable amount for damage caused by breach of contract. If a penalty is already mentioned in the contract, there will be a fear of having to pay substantial damages which would not exist if the party intended to rigorously adhere to the contractual commitments. So the penalty for violating the agreement are often laid out in the agreement, including injunction, indemnity and damages. It is essential to mention that the Specific Relief Act of 1963 and the Code of Civil Procedure, that is CPC 1908, governs these preventive reliefs. Now coming to the second consequence of the disclosing non-disclosure agreement clauses is injunction. The non-breaching party may petition the court for an order prohibiting the receiving party from disclosing the secret information. The objective of requesting a temporary or permanent injunction is to prevent the defendant, the receiving party, from committing future violations of inflicting further injury to the aggrieved party, that is the disclosed party. Now third is the indemnity. So the receiving party must indemnify the disclosing party for any fees, expenses, damages incurred by the disclosing party due to any breach of the agreement's provision. Court fees, litigation costs, and actual reasonable attorney fees are included in this obligation. Then the fourth consequence could be the damages. If the receiving party violates an NDA, the disclosing party may file a lawsuit in court to prohibit additional disclosures and sue the violating party for monetary damages. So this was all about what happens if you break a non-disclosure agreement. I would only suggest, if you come into such agreements, don't disclose the confidential information of the next party to someone else or the third party or entity. I will end my video with this. I hope you like this video. Feel free to comment your queries. I will definitely try to solve. Have a nice day. Thank you.